Have you ever wished you could grow more plants without spending a dime? What if I told you that with just a glass of water and a cutting, you could grow an entirely new plant right at home? That's the magic of water propagation, a simple, budget-friendly way to multiply your houseplants and garden favorites. In this video, I'll walk you through how water propagation works, what plants you can grow in water, and step-by-step instructions to help you get it right the first time. Whether you're a total beginner or a curious plant lover, stick around. This might just be the coolest plant trick you ever learn. Let's start with the basics. Water propagation is the method of growing new plants by placing cuttings, usually from stems or leaves, in water. Over time, these cuttings grow roots, and once they're strong enough, you can either keep them in water or plant them in soil. It's like giving your plant a second life, and it's incredibly satisfying to watch the roots grow day by day. There are several reasons why plant lovers swear by this method. It's super easy, no fancy tools needed. You can see the roots grow, which helps you learn. It reduces the chances of rot that sometimes happens in soil. It's cost-effective. One plant can turn into many, and it's just beautiful. A glass jar with green cuttings looks amazing on a windowsill. Not all plants like growing in water, but many popular ones do. Here are some of the best plants to propagate in water. Pothos Philodendron, spider plant Monstera, especially the deliciosa. ZZ plant, leaf cuttings work. Coleus mint and basil, yes, herbs too. Tradescantia, also known as wandering Jew, Chinese evergreen and peace lily, can work with divisions. Stick to soft-stemmed plants when you're starting out. They root faster and more easily. Now let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Choose a healthy stem. Look for a part of the plant that's free of pests, disease, and has at least 1 to 2 leaves. Step 2. Cut just below a node. What's a node? It's the little bump or ring on the stem where leaves or roots grow from. Use a clean, sharp pair of scissors or pruning shears to cut just below this point. Step 3. Remove lower leaves. If there are leaves near the bottom of the cutting, remove them. You don't want any leaves sitting in water, they'll rot. Now that you have your cutting, alright, let's get started. First, grab a clean glass or jar. Fill it with room temperature water. Tap water is fine, but it's best to let it sit for a few hours to let the chlorine evaporate. Now, place the cutting in the water so that at least one node is fully submerged. Make sure no leaves touch the water. Finally, place your jar in a bright indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it could cook your cutting before it even has a chance to grow roots. Roots typically start forming in 7 to 21 days depending on the plant and conditions. Some cuttings, like pothos or mint, root quickly, others may take longer. While you wait, make sure to change the water every 4 to 5 days to keep it fresh. Rinse the jar and make sure there's no slime or algae building up. Watch for roots. They often start tiny and white, then thicken over time. Pro tip. Once the roots are about 2 to 4 inches long, your cutting is ready to plant in soil, or you can keep it in water if the plant allows. If you want to move your rooted cutting to soil, choose a small pot with drainage holes. Use light, well-draining potting mix. Gently plant the cutting, burying the rooted part, water lightly, and place it in indirect light. Keep the soil slightly moist, not soggy for the first few weeks. Your cutting is adjusting from water to soil life. Alright, let's talk about some do's and don'ts of water propagation. DO. Use clear containers so you can see root progress. Label your cuttings if you're doing several. Be patient. Rooting isn't instant. Don't leave leaves in water. Don't use dirty containers. Don't panic if some cuttings don't root. Not all of them will, and that's normal. Water propagation is more than a plant trick. It's a window into how plants grow and thrive. Watching roots form from a simple cutting is one of the most rewarding experiences for any gardener. So if you've never tried it, now's your chance. Grab a jar, a pair of scissors, and a cutting, and discover the magic of water propagation for yourself. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple plant care tips, and share this video with your fellow plant lovers. Until next time, happy propagating!